We sure gotta think about creepy places. I mean, first the Ramrod, now this fucking place? Jesus, this is a dump.
Because it sets the tone for what I want to tell you. My parents know I'm gay, I'm fabulous, and it's out.
What a dork. Like that pink beret or magenta book bag you got saddled over your shoulder, that golden skin camel coat you had to work all summer to get, match your golden locks, or any one of those fluffy pink bathrobes you parade around the house using that damn fucking cigarette holder like your fucking John Barrymore didn't tell him.
So help me if you're not still leaving with me for San Francisco in the morning.
Whoa, easy there, Tiger. I graduate, I'm going to Stanford. My dad's got a job for me lined up on fucking Wall Street, where I'll make enough money to suppress you and bury any memories of this summer ever happening.
Hey, Jamie, it's your old pal Tumblr from the Ramrod.
The fuck?
You're messing with Tumblr? Billy Mays says he broke his arm one night after drinks when he went home with him. You're crazy.
No, Stephen, you're crazy. Who could walk away from that golden smile? Besides, if taking me up on one of my last call Roman Greco oiled down wrestling matches is crazy, then that makes you crazy too.
So long as you're cool with a polyamorous relationship?
We're leaving for San Francisco in the morning. You wanna go? Ship sails at 8, fellas.